Hi, and welcome to the Canvas Crash Course. In this video, we're going to learn how to contribute to discussions. So first, you're going to enter into the class where your discussion is located. In our case, it's just COM 1000 here. We can go over to modules. If you have any questions on how to use modules, please refer to the modules video in the Canvas Crash Course. But for now, we're going to navigate to our self-introduction mini-speech, which is the discussion post. As you can see, it is due June 28th and is worth 10 points. When we click into our discussions, we can see our instructions, the due date up here in the top right, and whether or not it's a graded discussion. As you can see, it is, and there's 10 points possible. So, below here, it says our initial post is due Wednesday by 11:59, which is June 28th. So we are going to reply by coming down here. As you can see, we are meant to be submitting a video. So, in order to do that, we simply go to this little plugin app, View All, select Studio. This opens up our Canvas Studio where we can select our assignment. In this case, I'm not going to actually submit it, but that's how you would do so. Other times, your discussions might be requesting just simple text, and you can type that in the text box that exists here. I will just say my submission example, and I'm going to post this reply. Now, as you can see, my reply has been posted, and this is now visible to my classmates. If you note here that our response to our classmates are due Friday by 11:59. This is different from our Wednesday due date that shows up on both our calendar and in the modules. If you watched our calendar video in the Canvas Crash Course, you can remember that you can add new events to your calendar to keep track of external features like this. So, it would be best practice to go, so Friday at 11:59 is to go to our calendar and create that due date so we can track that. This is a little farther behind, but we're just doing it for this example. So as you can see here, here is that mini speech that I have completed by posting my initial response, but I have to reply to my classmates, so it would be good to mark that on my calendar as well. So I can come up here to create a new event. I can title that Respond to My Classmates. In COM 1000. And I can put that event for the 30th, which is that Friday. When I submit that, it will show on my calendar. And this way I can track not only my due dates for submissions, but also my due dates for response. If you have any questions on how to view your feedback or your grade for your discussion after you have posted it, please refer to the viewing grades and viewing feedback video in the Canvas Crash Course. Thank you.